Can I transfer money from PayPal to Cash App? Yes, you can transfer money from PayPal to Cash App, though not directly since the two apps do not integrate. In case you got money in your PayPal account and want to top up your Cash App account, then knowing how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App will help you save the funds you were to use for your Cash App recharge. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App just after the intro. PayPal and Cash App are not compatible, meaning that there is no direct way to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. However, there are two ways to do it indirectly. 1. Transfer money from PayPal to your bank account, then from your bank account to Cash App. To do this, log into your PayPal account. Click Transfer. Click Withdraw Money. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer and your bank account information. Click Transfer. Once the money has been transferred to your bank account, you can then transfer it to Cash App by following these steps. Open the Cash App app. Tap the Banking tab. Tap Add Cash. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer and your bank account information. Tap Add. 2. Get a Cash App cash card and link it to PayPal. Once you have a Cash App cash card, you can link it to PayPal and use it to withdraw money from your PayPal account. To do this, log into your PayPal account. Click Wallet. Click Link a bank account or card. Select Debit or Credit Card. Enter your Cash App cash card information. Click Link Card. Once your Cash App cash card is linked to PayPal, you can withdraw money from your PayPal account by following these steps. Log into your PayPal account. Click Transfer. Click Withdraw Money. Select your Cash App cash card. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Click Transfer. Once you follow these steps properly, your money will be transferred successfully from PayPal to Cash App without any hassle. Okay, we have come to the end of our video, and as always, don't forget to smash that subscribe button below and enable the notification bell to get notified whenever we release a new exclusive video for your entertainment.